Have you ever wondered how scientists measure the color intensity of a substance? The answer lies in a powerful device, the colorimeter. In scientific research, colorimeters play a crucial role in chemical analysis, biological research, and reaction rate calculations. Colorimeters are widely used in manufacturing industries to ensure quality control and color consistency in various products. In the medical field, colorimeters are essential for blood testing and urine analysis. Beyond laboratories and industries, colorimeters are used in food quality testing and screen calibration. From science labs to factories, hospitals, and even your TV screen, colorimeters help maintain precision and quality. Innovation powered by color.